Okay, so this should fire up on its own here momentarily. Oh, I hear it. Kick off on its own. There we go. Okay, bonus hand warmer for a frigid cold day. Now this is set up, nice warm hand warmer there. Got the insulation here so we don't... All right, we have the generator guy servicing the generator. We're gonna cut the power and actually test the actual electric generator part, not the gas engine, but hopefully that's all up and running, so we'll be ready for any potential emergencies, whatever may come our way, at least with power losses. All right, he's gonna go out and kill the main power switch. He said it'll be like about a 30-second delay, but he's going out to kill the power, and I'm gonna go out in the barn and watch it happen out there. So should be about a 30-second delay. All right, he's going to kill the main power. We had him route the exhaust to the exterior, which should have been done decades ago, but it's done now. Okay, a quick side note, if you're new to the channel, we just bought this Missouri farm and they had this exhaust in the garage here. So one of the things we wanted to accomplish is to get the exhaust routed outside. It's kind of hard to believe it's been, you know, spewing the exhaust inside for all these years, but that was part of today's servicing is we had it, you know, vented to the outside properly so we ain't gonna burn the garage down. Oh no, the garage is still on. Let's see what happens. This should be coming on any minute. We don't know if the garage is tied into the generator or not. It might be just for the house, and we ain't gonna change all that. Oh, there goes the power. So the service guy just hit the main, the 200 amp breaker outside of the house, and he cut all the power to the whole farm basically.
I've never been in there, but so this keeps you from killing linemen. Oh, there's the keys. Inside, of course.
So this is the transfer switch inside of the basement, which the technician's going to check this as well to make sure it's functioning properly as part of our getting it set up and ready to go. Okay, so this should fire up on its own here momentarily. Oh, I hear it. Weird, them garage door opener lights are on. I don't know if that's the battery backup. This should kick on any second. We should hear it if it works. Alright, so what I'm waiting for is to hear the actual electric generator kick on. So you have your LP engine, which turns the generator, but as you're going to see here, it all happened at once. When the generator started, the electrical turbine was already spinning and powering the house. Either that or it's on already and it only covers the house maybe, and not the barn. Let me go check that. Well, the garage is still dead.
Yeah, I figured that might be the case.
It might only run the house. Let me see if we got lights in here. Okay, we got lights in here.
Yeah, it happened quicker than I thought it was going to happen.
Yeah, I didn't even hear it. I didn't even hear the second stage, but it appears to be working. We got lights in here.
Yeah, before I could even
Uh-huh.
And I waited just a second trying to hear a generator and I couldn't hear it. And come around pretty.
Well, it took from here when the lights went off in the garage, it was 10 seconds before the thing kicked on.
Okay.
So it did that part.
Well, I waited like 1, 2, 3. Then I walked around to the door and the lights were already on.
Okay. Well, that works. All right, looks like the generator. Well, I hear the microwave's back on. That's good. So this would be us right now in a power outage, whether it was World War III or just an hour hailstorm or whatever the case may be. This would be us right now. And we got a bonus hand warmer for a frigid cold day with the new exhaust we had them put in right here. Wow, this is set up, nice warm hand warmer there. Got the insulation here so we don't burn the building down. So one more chest move just for being prepared. I highly recommend. Oh, there comes the garage. So he must have just flipped it back on and now this should shut off all automatically. Maybe. I'm thinking it will any second. Also checking the transfer switch in the house. Make sure it's all working properly. So far it looks like it is. Alright, I'll check back in when this shuts off. We'll see what happens. It should kick off on its own. There we go. Okay, so maybe it has a cool down, because you got the engine and then the actual I don't know if it's called a transformer or what, so you got 2 stages, but I like being prepared, so this is good news. And we had them service all this, oil change, air filter and spark plug, so we should be good to go. Hopefully we never need it, but it's good to have it.